Updating your billing information on Podia Pro is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Podia website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Access billing information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payment method. Click on the option to edit or update your payment method. Enter your new billing information, including credit card details or other payment options as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Podia Pro. Regularly checking your details can help avoid any disruptions in service.